Question 18, refer to problem 29. You are given an ellipse. L is one end of the latus rectum. LS, L dash. You draw the normal to the ellipse at L. He says that it passes through the end B1 of the minor axis. Then you have to get a relation in E, the eccentricity of the ellipse. You are given 4 relations, of which you have to choose the correct one. You know that the normal to the ellipse at a point x1, y1, a squared x by x1 minus b squared y by y1 equal to a squared minus b squared. Here x1 is ae, y1 is b squared by a. So a squared x by ae minus b squared y by b squared by a equal to a squared minus b squared. So a gets cancelled here, ax by e, b squared gets cancelled, a goes to the numerator, ay, and you know a squared minus b squared is a squared e squared, because b squared is a squared into 1 minus e squared. So cancel a throughout. X by e minus y is equal to a e squared. He says that this normal passes through b dash, whose coordinates are 0, minus b. So put x equal to 0, y equal to minus b in this relation. I get plus b equal to a e squared. Square both sides. B squared is equal to a squared into e power 4. But you know, b squared is a squared into 1 minus e squared. So a squared gets cancelled on both sides. You get 1 minus e squared equal to e power 4. Transposing everything to the right hand side, e power 4 plus e squared minus 1 equal to 0. Looking at the 4 choices, you are able to see that choice 4 is the correct answer.